How to fix Facebook confirm your identity without ID. In this video guys, I will share with you the correct way how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps option. Open it. Here as you see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, and you have to scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back click on force stop, click again OK. And now go to this option picture. In picture, you have to make sure that this option here is allowed, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.